Now, so far, we've only been putting our blocks from top to bottom. There is a way to put blocks in a row, and that's called the columns. And I'm going to put some columns right down here. They're under most used right now, but you can also find them under the layout elements. And then we have two different add new blocks, one in each column. So I'll add a block here. And for example, I can put in an image. And then over here, some text. Save draft and preview. So now those two blocks, the image block and the paragraph block, are side by side. And it looks like I can put columns inside of a column. But last time I've tried this, it was experimental, still in beta, so use it with care.